morning guys, Southerners on tour, another vlog. We're going to see some waterfalls today at a place called Bowless. Just look on here, you can see Bowless picnic area. Apparently there's some lovely waterfalls. Just going to take you along for the journey. That's if we can get there. We're trying to suss out where they are. Got some information here. What's this? Bowless Visitor Centre.
Please turn right in 300 yards into the destination street.
Back guys, as I said, we've come to the Bowless Visitor Centre. Just spin you around. Parking here, you make a donation. Suggested donation, half a day up to 3 hours, £2 to £3, full day £3 to £4. There's a machine there, so you need to have some change. Card donations can be made at the information desk in Bowless Visitor Centre. We've got a map here of the falls. Got High Force Waterfall, and you've got the low ones down here. And there's a little map. Got a little cafe, visitor centre, and there's your parking. Just a little bridge. So you make your donation and you display your ticket. Steps up to the visitor centre. It's quite cute why this is done. Can you help me? This is the visitor centre. Got an electric charging point here. The cafe in there. Well, here we are, guys, all packed up, our backpack on, walking boots. We're ready to head out to these waterfalls if we can find them. Nice countryside. We'll take you along for the journey and pick you up as we go along. I'll see you soon. Attention. One person at a time. Oh, this is a bit rickety. Strong old current there in the pool in there. High Force. I think we've got to go this way. Little map again. A few different routes up. I'm just gonna stop there a minute and I'll get my phone out, just take some pictures just for reference. That's the bridge just went over. steep, these steps. Oh, slippery. Got some sheep hanging around up here. Look like they've been there for a while. Wonderful place to be a walker. Blue sky starting to break through in the background there. You can see. Just spin you around. Just over there in the distance. Just top of that head line there. Lovely blue sky breaking. It was misty rain this morning. Absolutely hammering down. I didn't think this was going to happen today. So done well. We'll keep on pushing through and see if we can see the other falls. It's supposed to be spectacular. It's supposed to be like a platform you can sort of viewing area. We'll see you soon. I expect everyone knows who walks in the countryside. We make sure we leave nothing behind, no traces. Look, leave no trace. Take your litter home with you and make sure the gates are shut. So these are on a spring loaded, so we make sure these are fastened. It's spring loaded. There you go. So, but just a reminder for everyone who walks in the country, just to look after it. It's amazing, this countryside, so we must do what we can. Anyway, onwards. Ground's nice and uneven here. The rocks over here. bridge to go across. Just going to get a tripod out. Get a bit of a sweat on. Anyway, onwards. This guy's poking through now. It's absolutely raining this morning. I didn't think it was going to come here. These guys are kayaking. Strong current here. Look at this. Quite steep here, slippery underfoot. So you've got a choice of routes. I've come up the left hand side, the bank of the river, from where I've come from. There's a bridge here. And the people I was speaking to, they were just saying that there's one route you take, you have to pay. So they said to go on the left, take you above the waterfall. So we'll see what it turns out in a minute. It's a bit slippery underfoot. Getting up quite high now. through the kissing gate. Got a little map here. Tree killer on the loose. Donations. Telling you about the natural habitat, birds. There's a waterfall there. Not sure if you can get to that. Just observing the colour of the trees here. Stunning. Changing now for the autumn. A lot of puddles, as you expect. Just trying to avoid them underfoot. Look at that. Beautiful. Still hear the water in the distance. Sun's breaking through. His feet from before, if you was watching earlier. Very grey, overcast. The sky has now come through blue. Turned out a lovely day. I'll pick you up soon. Save some battery. See if we can see the waterfall. Well, left or right? Let's try right towards the river. Well guys, there's a bit of a puddle here. I'm going to see if I can go around the other way. I did see somebody come from this direction. Bit of a maze. Stay with me. I need you. Guide me to the river. I think we might have to go back. See if we can elevate. Tell me what you can see. See anything? Well guys, arrived at High Force of Nature. Unbelievable. the views. I'll just turn you around. Look at that. That's some force. I'm going to take some photos and some videos and we'll come back to you soon. The viewing platform here. Just taking you with me, not sure what we're going to see. I'm just going to extend the old tripod out now. Selfie stick. Bear with me guys, we're going for a ride. Really went for a ride there. Look at the force on that. Unbelievable. And I didn't even bring my flask with me. There we go guys. Hope you enjoyed that. See if you can see anything else. Come along for the journey. If you're still with me guys, just going to have another look over here. Turn you around. Bear with us. Stay with me. Did you see anything? Let me know in the comments. Right guys, don't know if I should really show you this. Got to the top of the waterfall. Do you want a surprise? There's definitely a surprise for me. I'm just going to spin you around. Alright, here we go. 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 Look at that. Unbelievable. Look at the force. I'm just going to extend you out. Now stay with me. This is that's some force. Just down there, I don't know if you can see it, let's go that way. There's some people. You have to pay to go in that direction. So, to go up the other side of the bank, you have to pay. It's not expensive, but apparently everyone's saying this side is better and the sun's over here. So maybe come up on the left hand side. Gonna walk back down, see if I see anything else to do. I will catch you up on the camera. Cheers, and hope you enjoyed the little video. Southerners on tour. Please subscribe for more content like this. Really appreciate it. Cheers, guys. Rickety old bridge. Well guys, that was a little tour to High Falls, I think, High Force, Bowlis. Put the link below so you can see where I'm to go. I've just parked up in this little lay-bar, but look at the weather. If you followed me from the beginning of the video, there's a nice grey sky, now blue sun. I'm sweating like a bucket now, but please like and subscribe. Come over to Southerners on Tour and get me out there. Thank you. Well guys, I don't know how much you can hear of me. It's really windy here. Lovely reservoir. Apparently it's one of the largest in UK, I think it was. It's going to spin you around. Spectacular. pay to park. Welcome to Cow Green Reservoir. Show you around here. 767 metres, smooth hill shapes like this electricity of the last ice year, about 20,000 years ago. It's actually about all the wildlife you can see. Good old spot this. So it's very windy. They reckon there's a storm coming. There's all that there. Just raise you up on the old southeasting thing, you see. Old view up there. Look. Sorry about the wind. That's Cow Green Reservoir. Nice camper there. 5.5 tons that way.